Hi, I'm Gareth from Big Game Bikes. This is a cable actuated hydraulic brake. When you pull the brake lever on the handlebar, the cable pulls this piston this way and causes both of the brake pads to move onto the brake rotor simultaneously in exactly the same way that a hydraulic brake would, because this is a hydraulic brake caliper. Why do you want one of these? Well, they're way easier to install than a full hydraulic brake system. You never have to adjust them like you do with mechanical brakes. You get much better brake pad wear, you get good brake modulation. So basically it's almost all of the benefits of a hydraulic brake without any of the major negatives of a hydraulic brake, like having to bleed the brake system and so on and so forth. Let's get this fitted. This is literally a 5-minute job, one of the easiest, simplest braking performance upgrades you can make to your bike. Let's get to it. So we've tightened this bolt, put a little bit of tension on the cable. We haven't fully tightened these bolts. There's still some play in the caliper. We're going to pull the brake lever on the handlebars. That's going to center the brake caliper on the rotor. Then we can tighten these two bolts and we should be good to go. Done. It could be worth getting a little crimp end, I'm not sure what these are called, to pop that on the end of the cable to stop it from fraying. Not a big deal if you haven't got one. The most important thing is to make sure that the caliper is not touching the top of the brake rotor. If it is, get yourself some washers, add those in, just to ensure that the caliper is positioned correctly on the brake rotor. If you find that you're pulling the brake lever all the way to the handlebars, just undo this screw. That's going to move the piston this way and give you a bit more tension. That's it, all done.